Okay, so I just want to tell you about my SUPERcore Xtreme Solitude SPC006X flooring that we purchased from WeShipFloors.com. Look at that, guys. It is absolutely beautiful. Love the pattern. We woke up one morning to a flooded downstairs. We had a pipe bust, so we immediately began searching for replacement flooring. We searched a lot of local showrooms, just couldn't find anything that we liked, especially with the style we have. We've kind of got that farmhouse look going. I got online, started searching because, again, I couldn't find anything locally, and came across the SUPERcore. They sent me some samples. Zoe and the guys were just excellent to work with. There's the variation in the flooring again. We created our own little transition here, which I absolutely love. I literally clean it with a wet mop and my little robotic vacuum. Installation required a tape measure, a rubber mallet, and a chop saw. My husband left for work one morning, came home, and I had installed pretty much the whole downstairs here, kitchen, dining area, by myself. Other than that, he and I did all the work ourselves, and it was easy breezy. Anyone can do it. I hope you love your flooring as much as we do ours.